Got an E2 file from a CNC machining or sign-making workflow? This is a CAD/CAM project from a specialized manufacturing design tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and work with these Enroute CAD/CAM project files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful E2 file inspection tool. E2 files are CAD/CAM project files, created by Enroute Software, a design and manufacturing application used in sign-making, woodworking, CNC routing, and digital fabrication. They contain 2D vector designs, 3D relief models, toolpath definitions, material settings, and machining parameters for producing physical products on CNC routers and engraving machines. Enroute E2 files use a proprietary format storing vector geometry with design layer organization, 3D relief surface data, CNC toolpath calculations including bit selection, feed rates, and plunge depths, material thickness settings, and output configurations for various CNC controller post-processors. The standard opener for E2 is known to be Enroute developed by SA International, SAI. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows doesn't display full design details, so reviewing these files properly requires CAD-capable software. Your most critical first action is the file association test. Right-click the E2 file and choose Open With. If Enroute is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If you are still having trouble opening the E2 file, do not worry. This E2 file requires certain conditions to open properly. To isolate the error, we'll quickly verify these essential details on our checklist. First, opening an Enroute. Launch Enroute Software and open the E2 file using File, then Open. The project loads with all vector designs, 3D reliefs, and toolpath calculations intact. Navigate between the design surface and toolpath views to review the manufacturing design and machining operations configured in the project. Next, exporting design elements. Export vector designs from Enroute to DXF AI or SVG format for use in other CAD or design applications. Export 3D surface data to STL for use in other CAM software. Use File, then Export, and select the appropriate format matching the requirements of your target application or CNC software platform. Finally, generating CNC output. In Enroute, generate the CNC machine code from the toolpath calculations using the appropriate post-processor for your CNC router or engraving machine. Select Output, then generate toolpath and choose your machine's post-processor to create G-code or proprietary controller files ready for sending to the CNC machine. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.